Have you lost your key and don't have a spare to copy from? Did your desk lock just break and you can't open the drawers anymore? That can be very frustrating. Introducing Lock Doctor Services, your online resource for replacement keys and locks for lockers, filing cabinets and office furniture. We're committed to making key and lock replacement easy, while also offering next day delivery. How to order? That's easy. 1. To order replacement keys online, find the replacement key number stamped on the lock face or on the original key. On lockers, filing cabinets and desks, the replacement key number is stamped on the original key and on the lock face just beside the keyhole. If you can't find what you need, or if you're unsure which key to order, just email us a photo of your lock or key. 2. Visit www.lockdoctor.biz and type the key number in the search bar. 3. Choose the key you need and the quantity. 4. Proceed to the checkout where you can pay securely by card or PayPal. Want to know more? Go online to www.lockdoctor.biz today.